Welcome to That's Gonna Be Hot, a show about hot sauces and other spicy foods and snacks. I'm your host George, and I'm going to be taste testing all these sauces and other items and rating them on four separate categories: flavor, intensity of the heat, the versatility of how much you can put it on, and length of the burn. Today, we're going to be looking at High River Hot Sauces Cheeba Gold. It is a Barbados style Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. Okay, so today for this sauce, I'm going to be trying it out on. I was going to put it on chicken wings, but the store was out, so I just had to do a regular chicken leg. So it's just like a big drumstick. Steak and on eggs because I like putting hot sauce on eggs. So we're going to see how this works on that. I'm going to start with that first. I didn't put any on it while I was cooking it. I wanted y'all to be able to see me actually do it, so I'm going to go ahead and sauce it up. That should be good. It's a lot hotter than I thought it was going to be. But it does have a good flavor. It's kind of mustardy. It says it's got curry, sweet peach, and scotch bonnets. I wasn't sure how it was going to be on the eggs. That was my least one I was looking forward to in this. But that is really good. So now, let's move on to the chicken. It's on there. I cooked it while it was on there too, but I'll add a little bit more. All right, there we go. It's really good on the chicken. I'm gonna have another bite. Okay, and do a little switch out here for the steak. Instead of just putting it on straight steak, I'm gonna make a little taco burrito here. And again, I cooked the steak with the sauce on it, but I'm gonna just add a little bit more. And so nobody can say there's nothing on there. And my tortillas are falling apart, so I'm not sure if this is going to stay together or not, but we'll see. I think that's as good as it's going to get. Let's see what happens here. That was a really big bite. Give me just a second. Everything else on there. So I got lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese. Can't really taste it, so I'm going to add a little bit more. There we go. That's good. I'm sweating a little bit, but it is very good. So I wasn't sure how it was going to be on the eggs. Surprisingly, I enjoyed it. So, for the flavor, I said on a scale out of 10, for flavor, I'd probably give it an 8. It tastes really good. It's sweet, which kind of gets you at first. Then the spicy comes in. Heat level, maybe around a 6, maybe a 7 for some people. Let's see. Probably the length of the burn, it kind of hits you pretty hard a little bit starting out. It doesn't take too long for it to start going away. I mean, I'm not even really drinking any water yet. Actually, I'm not drinking any water yet, so it's not unbearable. And then for the versatility, what you could use it on, I was thinking if it didn't go with the eggs, I'd give it a 7. But it went on the eggs. I'm going to give it a 9 for me. So that was Cheeba Gold Scotch Bonnet Pepper Sauce from High River Sauces. Looking at my ratings, I gave it an 8 for the flavor, a 6 for the intensity of the heat, and a 9 for the versatility, which brings it up to a 23 out of 30. So very good sauce. I would recommend it. And I didn't give a number for the length of the burn in there because first off I forgot it, and then I'm not really sure how I'm going to add it in to the rating because I don't want it to skew it one way or another. But I would probably give it about a 4. Like I said, it hits kind of hard, but it doesn't last long. Great sauce. Put it on just about anything. I think you'll like it. I get most of my sauces from Amazon. That's where I got this one. I'll leave a link in the description. And come back next week. I'm going to be trying out the Heatonist Brain Burner, which is featured on the Hot Ones game show. I did kind of cheat with this one when I got it in the mail and tasted it. I don't remember exactly what it tasted like, but I do remember that it was pretty hot. So come back next week and we'll see how bad I'm sweating.